This is Inglis Falls near Owen Sound, and we're just trying to explore this conservation area. Whoa! A lot of crevices here. Looks like something out of, looks like over there too. Let's say it was a big earthquake or something.
This greenery.
It's slippery. Let's go to the passage. Nice to walk around here.
You can go there if you want.
What if it's going left? Careful. Oh, this is a good one. Greta, ¿eh? Aquí parece que es más peligroso que allá. ¿El bicho de aquí? It's almost like there was some kind of I don't know, earthquake or glacial during the glacial times. It split. But this whole floor is full of rock, spit rock everywhere. This is Inglis Falls Conservation Area in Owen Sound. Apparently there was a big mill here, flour mill. There was a house built in this area and it apparently burnt down. Then probably was transferred over to the city to use as a recreation conservation area. More crevices. Yeah, this is called the Sightseeing River. So we follow the Sightseeing River in Owen Sound. The blue place is a sign of the Bruce Trail Club. Any of those people that belong to the Bruce Trail Club? Bruce Trail Club Trail. There's a frog. Look at a little frog. There's two of them. It's a dead tree. It's all broken off a long time ago. Shredded and everything, but life is coming out of the tree. There's little trees, which I guess the seed went on the tree and it's giving life to other vegetation.